Where's the baby? Oh, I got you. I won't let her get you. I won't let her get you. Because she's so tall. Crazy tall. You? Hey, leave him alone. Look at this. Be nice to the baby. Oh, whoa, whoa. You ate already, you. Bossy little broad. She's protecting the babies now. You protecting the babies, Lucy? Are you protecting the babies? Oh, you are protecting the babies. Oh, here's Mr. Taylor. Why, good morning, Mr. Taylor. Afternoon, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Arr. Look at these excited dogs. Look at Lucy going to protect the babies. The babies are protecting the other babies from this baby right here, because she's just a crazy baby. Oh, really? Are you going to get the... Oh. Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, really, Lucy? Tell me how you really feel. Why don't you dance for Mama? Dance for Mama. Dance it. Spin. Good girl. Oh, look at you. You want to show off? Come here, you two. Come here, you two. Spin. 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 Come on, Lucy. Spin. Come on. You're a good boy, Dee. Oh, my goodness. Dee knows how to spin all of a sudden, and you don't want to do it. Spin. 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 Good girl. Oh, my goodness. You tell her to be quiet. Only you're allowed to bark. Only your barks are allowed, right? You big mouth. Big mouth. Oh, really? Oh, really? She just loves to roll it with her nose. She loves to do that. Never seen a dog that loves to do that. Okay, maybe not.